Morning guys, so today I'm actually going to pick up some brand new AP1 S2000 headlights because the ones on the car are trash, and I'm actually going to pick up a stock bumper as well because I like the look of a stock front end better when you add like a lip, etc. So that way I can kind of play around with the arrow, just kind of rebuild the car back to kind of stock first and then build it up from there. I'm in Atlanta, and when you go to Atlanta from Chattanooga, you always pass by. If you guys have never been to a Buc-ee's before, you definitely have to go. Their brisket, everything, anything brisket is top notch, especially for something that you can really just go in and grab. Their gas is super cheap here too. I think it was like $2.89, something along the lines of that. Gas is $2.89. I mean, mine's $3.60, but it's not that bad. $3.60 is still reasonable compared to like California or Hawaii or in Alaska. But yeah, I'm gonna go in here, get some stuff, get some drinks, use the bathroom, and then be back on my way. If you've never had a brisket taco, it is absolutely amazing. I don't know why this won't focus, but yeah, Buc-ee's breakfast brisket taco, super good. See you later, Buc-ee's. Let's give them this right here. Look at that. You're missing out. Gas motor cars. And I just picked up the headlights for the S2000. Brand new AP1 headlights. And that's my GPS wanting to be on camera. And they're letting me actually film a little bit over here. So I'm gonna go check out some cars. This is an E46 M3 convertible. Is that a special edition? I don't know what. Oh, it's a Roush. Cool. It's the John Roush edition. Super cool. That's super cool. It's a super nice classic vet. There's a C8, the Rivian. It's a Rentec. Heck yeah. Super cool. G-Wagon. I think it's Rentec tuned. That's super cool. I love the color on that. Super nice color. I think it's so clean. This is an old GMC. Oh, that's super cool. It's a Jimmy. That's like stupid clean. Okay. I can get behind this one too. There's stupid mint. Look at this. They let me come in here and check out all the cars that they have on consignment. Buy, sell in here. Is that a GT2? That's a GT2. That is stupid mint. Stupid clean. Do you want a GT3? That's a 992 GT3. Those vents are growing on me. I think they are. Ford GT. I think it's an SF90. Yeah, it's electric. Hybrid. Just went and got this S2000 bumper for the car, and he parks a lot of cars out, so I'm gonna put it in the trunk and we're gonna go. It's in pretty good condition too, really good condition. So I'm here at Z1 just kind of checking out everything. The new facility looks super good. They'll never know I'm not a Z. Can't really tell. No difference. Make more power than all these cars in the back like John's and stuff, you know? And I walked by and Ryan is over here painting this. And I'm sweating for him. So I got him a water.
Get a whole damn wall.
Merry Christmas. I'll bill you for that.
Thank you so much. How is it so cold?
It's called a cooler.
Ah, okay.
So this is the showroom at Z1 Motorsports, and I haven't been here in a while. It looks a lot better than last time I was here. This is their piping, modular Y pipe, and all their exhausts. See, I have a single exhaust for my Z. I love that they do this right here. That's super cool, the brake ducts. Xeno Plush. This is their dyno waiting room. What's up, guys? There's all the cars in there. There's the Time Attack car. I'm actually going to try to see if I can find some coilovers for this 2000. Just for now, until we partner up with somebody. On my way back home from getting the bumper, as you guys can see, and the brand new headlights for the S2000 build, and I hit up my buddy David Patterson, and he was like, hey, what are you doing? I was like, well, I'm driving back through, you want to have lunch? So here we are, we're gonna have lunch, and he's not out front yet, but we're about to go have lunch, and I'm gonna go home and probably start working on the S2000 a little bit. I don't know if I'm gonna feel like it, just because I've been driving for the last 2 days, so we'll see.